How's it? Today I'm exploring a route I've never done before. I've just turned off the R60 between Worcester and Robertson. But first, I need some coffee. So let's go visit this wine farm. I was here a few weeks ago and tried their wines. All of them excellent. The ones that I tried anyway. Just the one had a slight aftertaste of dishwater. Apparently that was just me. Don't let me put you off of it. I'd highly recommend them. Sure, quite a view they have on this little kuppie. I see snow on the Hex River Mountains. That's the road to Robertson. Was it? I just want a coffee just outside. Caffeination done. Let's go explore. So I think I've taken a wrong turn. This road goes through to the N1 and I'm trying to get to Robertson, so let's do a turn around here. Sorry gravel, won't enjoy you this time. So I think this is the road I needed to take earlier. There's all these signs around. Ah, gravel, excellent. According to the map, this road runs more or less parallel to the R60 and it should come out closer to Robertson on the R60. So that's what I'm hoping for. The tyres and suspension I've left for the tar road setup, so I'm not planning on doing anything technical today. Looks quite rustic around here. Pretty flowers, nice to see all the fynbos growing. Okay, the camera on the bike is not going to work. Just way too much camera shake. And these corrugations have a weird effect. Come on, bird, jeez. So, can I go straight or do I have to turn back here onto the R60? Let's haul out the map book. In inverted commas, it's just Google Maps on the cell phone. So the map says, let's go straight. It does join with the R60 later. I wonder where that goes. I'll have to explore that sometime. Clearly, if this is wet, it's probably going to be very slippery. Generally, this road has been good enough that I'd feel comfortable bringing a pillion, but in those little sections where it's more clay, I wouldn't come here in the wet, with or without a pillion. Slow down a bit so we don't make too much dust for the washing here on the line. Oh, running out of gravel. Oh well, that was fun. Hey look, there really is a train here. I thought these stop signs were just for show. And there's the big red chair and the R60, so I guess that's the end of our little trip through Nuy Valley. Thanks for riding with me. Cheers.